How does brain plasticity help puppy sound desensitization? Imagine your puppy hearing a loud noise for the first time. Their brain reacts with a natural fear response, but that's just the beginning of how their brain can change. Brain plasticity, also called neuroplasticity, is the brain's ability to rewire itself by forming new connections. This process is especially strong in puppies because their brains are still developing rapidly. When we use sound desensitization, we are tapping into this natural ability to help puppies become more comfortable with sounds. When a puppy encounters a new or loud sound, their initial reaction might be to get scared or anxious. But if we introduce that sound slowly and in a positive way, their brain starts to create new pathways. Instead of linking the sound with danger, the puppy begins to associate it with something good, like treats or play. This is how their brain rewires itself to respond calmly instead of fearfully. This process is the foundation of sound desensitization training. Trainers play recorded sounds at very low volumes during calm moments like nap or mealtime. They gradually increase the volume over days or weeks, always watching the puppy's body language. If the puppy shows signs of stress, the trainer lowers the volume and tries again later. This step-by-step approach allows the puppy's brain to adapt without feeling overwhelmed. By consistently exposing puppies to real-life noises like vacuum cleaners or traffic in a controlled way, their brains learn to see these sounds as normal. The goal is to make these sounds part of their daily life without causing fear. Because brain plasticity allows the brain to change, repeated positive exposure helps puppies build confidence and resilience. This means that sound desensitization not only helps prevent noise fears, but also helps puppies become more adaptable overall. Trainers focus on creating positive experiences, paying attention to the puppy's body language, and adjusting the training as needed. The more we understand how the brain can change, the better we can help puppies grow into confident, relaxed dogs. So, in simple terms, brain plasticity helps puppies learn to ignore or stay calm around sounds because their brains are capable of rewiring themselves through repeated, positive experiences. This natural ability makes early training and socialization so effective in shaping a happy, well-adjusted dog.